After 10 days of intense arguments, the marriage equality hearings concluded today. The bench heard back-to-back rejoinder arguments from 11 counsels appearing for various petitioners and reserved judgment in the case. The petitioners passionately argued for the Special Marriage Act to be read to include LGBTQIA+ marriages. They stated that the purpose of the Special Marriage Act was to validate socially ostracized marriages and acknowledge the freedom of choice. Therefore, reading in queer marriages under the Special Marriage Act did not defeat its intent as claimed by the union. On the union's argument about the workability of the Special Marriage Act and its impact on other laws, the petitioner's line of reasoning was clear. Complications in the process were not good enough reasons to deny constitutionally compliant interpretation of the law. Mr. Saurabh Kirpal said that marriage is a vehicle of equal rights in society. Therefore, even a slightly unworkable interpretation of the Special Marriage Act was better than having no rights at all. The union had also argued that non-heterosexual marriages were opposed to social morality. The petitioners argued that constitutional morality superseded social morality. Owing to the Nalsa, Puttaswamy and Navteet Singh judgments, sexual orientation and gender identity were expressions of the fundamental rights. Therefore, evolving constitutional morality demands an inclusive reading of the Special Marriage Act to include LGBTQIA+ marriages. Lastly, the petitioners maintained that the repercussions of reading up the Special Marriage Act was not as catastrophic and unimaginable as the union made them out to be. Questions of law will arise from time to time, but the courts were well equipped to answer them. The Supreme Court could pass a declaration recognizing an LGBTQIA person's right to marry until Parliament made laws to address clashes with gender-specific legislations. Will the Supreme Court recognize an LGBTQIA+ couple's right to marry? Will it use the Special Marriage Act as a tool to grant this right? Stay tuned to SCO Observer to find out. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to SCO's daily WhatsApp and Telegram updates. Also, check out our website for reports on hearings and much more.